It's my 9219, or you could call it my 9215, whatever you want it is. I think I want to rename it 49039215, because the 49039219 is both free run smart sync. Here we go. We're going to throw back some memory back a few months ago. Well, about a few years ago, got my first device. This was the same horn you saw in that video. I could show you this video right now. Yes. And here's this one. Same look, but different strobe and same horn. I'm going to do a code 3 code, and yes. Now continuous. And the old strobe used to be smart sync. That one's free run. Now time to do a switch of the wires. Do the electronic. This one a little bit different. But it's not too bad. Just a different horn. The system test was going to post today for 2024. Right now it's 2024. That should come out later today. This one I think is new. Every time. That one I think is a good alarm. Some throwback. Be safe, disconnect the power. I heard fireworks last night. I'm trying to type this. I'm going to do a code 3 testing continuous test. .4 volts DC. Now it's time to hook up the right side. Trying to find that good wire. I don't know where the heck I put it. For the heck of it, I use this white one. Oh, where that there went. Trying to make a two-wire operation. Okay. Hook that up. Set this device right here. Now test. Code 3. Now continuous. That alarm's at my school. Now I'm trying to do the older codings. Code 4 fours. Four dash 4. There.